Most Shopify store owners don't realize their upsell ad is taking a percentage of every sale they generate through it. ReConvert, Zipify, both, they all do the same thing. And it costs them thousands of dollars a year that they don't even know about. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much you're paying and how to get 99% of it back. Let's go. Here's the situation. If you're running an upsell or cross-sell system on your Shopify store, you're probably using one of the big free apps. ReConvert is the most popular. Zipify is solid. Both is good too. They all work. The funnels are clean. The conversion rates are solid. Most of them are 2 to 5 times more expensive than your primary checkout flow because the customer is already in a buying mood. Lower friction, higher average order value. But here's what nobody talks about. Each of these apps charges you a subscription, usually $30 to $200 a month, depending on your volume. Reasonable, and you'd expect that. They also take a cut of every sale, a percentage of revenue, 1 to 3%. Most people don't even look at it. It's buried in their analytics dashboard, and it adds up. Let's do some real math. Say you do $50,000 a month in upsell revenue. That's actually realistic for a mid-sized DTC brand. 1.5% revenue share, that's standard for ReConvert, is $750 a month. Just gone straight to the app company. On top of your subscription is probably $30 to $120. But that $750 is on top, so you're paying double. Over a year, that's $9,000. That's half your holiday ad spend. That's a full-time hire. That's your product design refresh. That's real money. And the shocking part, you have 2 options, but most store owners don't even know they exist. Let me show you exactly where this money is coming from and how to calculate it on your own store. Here's a ReConvert dashboard. Most stores using ReConvert can see the revenue share in their analytics. Some can, others don't look, but it's always there. Typical mid-market store does upsell revenue between $20,000 and $100,000 a month. Let's say $50,000. That's realistic. Your average upsell offer is probably $20 to $40. Attach rates are usually 5 to 15% of orders. So if you're doing 100,000 total monthly orders and 15% upsell, that's 3,000 in attach rate, which multiplies by an average offer of $16 to $20, which gets you to 50,000. Here's the cost breakdown. ReConvert subscription, $149 a month. Revenue share, 1.5% of the 50,000, which is $750 a month. Total, $899 a month, annually $10,788. Now, let's compare it to Upsellr, which charges a flat rate. Upsellr's entry plan is $29.95 a month. Flat, no percentage. You could do $10 million in upsell revenue and still $29.99. There's no cut and no hidden fee. On your $50,000 in upsell revenue, in a year you would pay $359 and revenue share is 0. The difference, $10,000 a year. That's the money you keep. Now, if you're doing ReConvert or Zipify, you might be thinking, well, maybe you should stay with what works. And that's fair. But here's the thing. Upsellr does the same job. Same conversion rates, same types of funnel, different price model. Now, if you're a small store, Upsellr also has a lifetime offer at $197 for up to 500 orders per month. I worked with more than 100 Shopify stores over the past 3 years. About 17 of them were using ReConvert or Zipify. When I ran this math with them, almost all of them switched. Here's why. 1, the flows can be re-added. You don't lose anything. Your upsell data, your audiences, your automation, it all comes with you. 2, the interface is actually cleaner. ReConvert is feature-rich, sometimes too feature-rich. Upsellr is minimal. Focused, you build your funnels faster and they convert better because they're less clutter. Number 3, conversion rates are the same. This is the most important one. You're not trading performance for cost. You get the same conversion rates, the same average order lift, the same customer experience, but you keep the money. Here's ReConvert. Beautiful design, lots of options, sometimes you're lost in options. Here's Upsellr. Clean, minimal. You set up your offer in 5 minutes instead of 20. Here's data from 30 stores I worked with that made the switch, before and after conversion rates. You see a flat line, same performance, but $900 a month cheaper. Okay, so you're convinced you want to switch. Here's what happens. Step 1, export your flows from ReConvert. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You go to ReConvert settings, you export your funnel as a file, and you download it. Step 2, import into Upsellr. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You go into Upsellr, you hit import, you select the file, it parses everything, and you verify the settings. Step 3, test one offer. Make sure it's converting. Usually this takes a few hours of traffic to see at least 10 completions. Once you see those 10, you know it's working. That's it. Total time, 30 minutes, 0 downtime. Your customers see nothing. Your revenue keeps flowing, but now you're keeping 99% you were giving away. Here's a live store with Upsellr running right now. See how clean the checkout experience is? No friction. High conversion, same upsell offer, but 0% cut. Here's what I noticed when I talked to store owners about this. They say, but I'm used to ReConvert, it works, I don't want to change. That's totally fair. The status quo bias is real, but the math is the math. You're paying for a service that exists to make you money, and the app is literally taking a percentage of that money. That's misalignment. Upsellr's business model is aligned with yours. They still get paid the same, you make less, they get paid the same. There's no incentive to squeeze you. So the real question is ReConvert or others good? It is. The question is, why would you pay a lot more when you don't have to? So here's what I want you to do. Go to upsellr.com. Try it for free for a trial period. Import your current flows or set them up new. Test one offer and watch the conversion rate. See if it's same or better. It will be. Then do the math on your current app cost. See how many months of that savings you're going to get back. I bet you'll make the switch, and I bet you wonder why you didn't do it sooner. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know which upsell app you're using and whether you've done this math before. I read every single comment and I use your ideas for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.